Well, this is the old dead compressor. This is the brand new compressor. It's for the Quest 506. And this is well packed. Look at this sucker. They literally foamed that compressor in the middle of everything. This is not getting damaged, I don't think, unless they really drop it from somewhere really high. Let's see how this, let's see how it looks unpacking it. Oh, I gotta put down the phone. Let's go right there. If you can see anything. And it drops. And it drops again. New dryer. Is that a new sensor on there too? Looks like they gave a new sensor. And let's see, is it the same? So we got the new one. Compared to the old one. Just a little bit different. The printing is a little smaller on this one. A little fewer identification marks from the new to old. GVS. I was trying to find this exact number. I couldn't find it easily. Google, AliExpress, Alibaba. You know, since these come from Asia. Are these Chinese made ones or Korean? Oh, these are actually Thailand made ones. Maybe I should go on the Thailand Google website. Let's try to find it that way. But yeah, just in case when it's out of warranty, if we need to get one again, I could order the exact same one. But yeah, trying to exact cross-reference and find information on these were really difficult. Actually, it was so far impossible. I spent 2 days going home at night, periodically during the day, trying to find this exact same number, and it just wasn't coming up. So I still would like to find the info on this, and that's about it. I'll see you. It came packed, nothing's broken, and came with the accumulator on it. They shipped a new, oh yeah, that's right. This one right here also had a defective, what was it? Thermistor. This had one defective thermistor, and we stole, how did I do that? I stole the thermistor. No, that one had a defective thermistor on it. And so this one had the bad compressor. So I stole the thermistor out of this one to get that one running so they wouldn't have two dehumidifiers down at once. And so now I'll just replace this with the new one, and this one will be up and running. And it's really too bad because this compressor would not have failed if it wasn't for the installation during manufacturing. See that capillary tube right there coming off the compressor? That was rubbing, and it rubbed out and it lost its gas charge. And if it wasn't for that, this would not have been dead. But something that simple takes out a compressor. See you guys later. Compressors don't die, they are murdered.